next topic is functions of gallbladder, right? So what are the functions of gallbladder? First is storage of bile. During interdigestive period, what does the gallbladder do? It stores the bile during interdigestive period, and it stores around 30 to 50 ml of bile, right? Now next function is the concentration of bile. So it concentrates the bile because the mucosa जो होता है gallbladder का, it is folded. It is folded, so it can actively absorb fluid and electrolytes. इनको ये absorb कर लेता है. So because of which it causes concentration of bile. So जो gallbladder bile है as compared to the liver bile, what does that become? It becomes thicker, viscous and darker in color as compared to the liver bile, right? Thicker हो जाता है, darker हो जाता है and viscous हो जाता है, right? Now water content decrease. Obviously water content decrease because of the absorption of the fluid. Organic constituents become 5 to 6 times concentrated. Because of the absorption of fluid, there is concentration of the organic constituents. Chloride and bicarbonate ions decrease by 5 to 6 times due to active absorption, and the potassium and the calcium ions are increased by 2 times. Right? Samjha? So if the bicarbonate ions are decreased, then the pH of gallbladder will be low as compared to the liver bile. Yes or no? Now effect on the pH of bile. Okay? So because of the rapid absorption of the bicarbonate, sodium and chloride, the pH of the bile is decreased from 8.6 to 7.6. Secretion of mucus also occurs. So secretion of mucus, जो mucus secrete होता है, it acts as a lubricant in the intestinal chyme. वहाँ पे intestine में जो chyme जाता है उसमें lubricant की तरह काम करता है. It regulates the equalization of the pressure in the biliary system because of the continuous absorption of the water. अगर water का absorption नहीं होगा तो जो bile store हो रहा है वो liver में वो बढ़ता जाएगा, and which causes it will cause pressure. So biliary system में ये pressure create करेगा. So because of the active absorption, ये जो pressure है ये regulate रहता है. So what happens when both the bile duct and cystic duct are clamped? What happens? अगर suppose bile duct और cystic duct को clamp कर दिया तो bile will not flow from the मतलब biliary secretion will be stopped, right? अगर दोनों को clamp कर दिया तो biliary secretion will be stopped, and the pressure जो होता है biliary system में, it will rise to 30 centimeter of the bile in 30 minutes, right? And when the bile duct is clamped, केवल bile duct अगर हम clamp करते हैं तो water is continuously absorbed from the gallbladder, and pressure in the biliary system it rises to several times. ठीक है, अगर केवल bile duct को clamp कर दिया तो pressure increase जाएगा to several times, and so इसीलिए gallbladder is necessary to prevent the to cause the equalization of the pressure, right? Now next is the functions of liver. So these were the functions of gallbladder. Now next is the functions of liver. Liver क्या क्या काम करता है? So it is very important. Functions of liver are important. So first is the secretory function. So secretory function, पीछे बातें मत करो. Secretory function, so it acts as both endocrine and exocrine gland. Liver acts as both endocrine and exocrine gland. पीछे ब्लैक शर्ट और ब्लू शर्ट खड़े हो जाओ. हाँ दोनों. Now next is metabolic function. So metabolic मतलब कि मेटाबॉलिज्म में जो हेल्प कर रहा है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, लिपिड, उसकी मेटाबॉलिज्म में जो हेल्प कर रहा है, so that is the metabolic function. So first is the role in the carbohydrate metabolism. So liver acts as a glucostat. Glucostat मतलब ग्लूकोज लेवल को मेंटेन करके रखता है, ना तो ज्यादा बढ़ने देता है ना ज्यादा कम होने देता है. तो liver acts as what? It acts as a glucostat. तो क्या करता है? It causes glycogenesis. Glycogenesis, that means glycogen is formed from the glucose that is stored in the liver, that is glycogenesis. Next is glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis, that means glycogen is break down into the ग्लूकोज whenever जब भी ग्लूकोज की नीड है तो ग्लाइकोजेनोलाइसिस हो जाता है, और जब ग्लूकोज ज्यादा है तो देयर इज ग्लाइकोजेनेसिस. एंड ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस आल्सो अकर्स, दैट मींस द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम non carbohydrate sources, right? Now alcohol metabolism also occurs in liver because of the presence of the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. ठीक है, alcohol dehydrogenase जो होता है वो लिवर में होता है. That's why alcohol metabolism also occurs in the liver. That's why alcoholic liver disease, alcoholic chronic alcoholic होते हैं उनको इसीलिए alcoholic liver disease होती है, liver में ज्यादा होती है because of enzyme, right? Now next is the interconversion of three monosaccharides, is glucose, galactose and fructose. So whenever जिसकी नीड ज्यादा है there is interconversion also in between the three, right? So that was the carbohydrate metabolism. Yes, sit down. Now next is the fat metabolism. So fat metabolism में it causes what? It causes degradation of fat. Degradation of fat मतलब कैसे करता है? फैट जो it has the enzyme lipoprotein lipase. Lipoprotein lipase क्या करता है? It causes the breakdown of triglyceride, cholesterol and phospholipids into fatty acids. Fatty acids में breakdown हो जाता है, and जो fatty acids है उनका क्या होता है? बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. These fatty acids का बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन होता है into acetic acid and acetoacetic acid, right? And बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन किधर होता है? In mitochondria. It occurs where? In mitochondria, right? खड़े हो नहीं क्या? Now next is synthesis of fat. So synthesis of fat में क्या क्या synthesize होता है? It synthesizes synthesis of triglyceride from the carbohydrate. ठीक है, इसलिए जब भी आप liver function test कराते हो तो उसमें LDL, VLDL ये सब कराते हैं ना, right? So it causes synthesis of the triglyceride, synthesis of cholesterol and phospholipids from the free fatty acids, synthesis of saturated fatty acids from the active acetate, and lipoprotein which is HDL, LDL, VLDL and chylomicrons. These are also synthesized in the liver, right? Now next is the protein metabolism. So कई बार क्या क्वेश्चन केवल डायरेक्ट ऐसे भी आ जाता है, राइट दी मेटाबॉलिक फंक्शंस ऑफ लिवर, राइट? इस तरह से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं. So next is the protein metabolism. Protein metabolism it causes what? It causes deamination of the amino acids, and it helps in the amino acids ka deamination, so which will help in the energy production and conversion of carbohydrate into fat. Urea formation also occurs in the liver. Formation of non-essential amino acids जो कि जरूरी नहीं है आपके बॉडी में synthesize होते हैं. These are synthesized in the liver by the transamination of the keto acid, and albumin and the alpha and the beta globulins are also synthesized in the liver, जिसमें कि albumin is solely synthesized in the liver. Albumin केवल liver में ही synthesize होता है, right? Now next is the detoxicating and protective function. So liver also acts as detoxicating and protective function. So ये क्या करता है? It has a Kupffer cell. What is a Kupffer cell? These are what? These are macrophages. These are macrophages, right? So these are macrophages. So they Kupffer cells. It causes phagocytosis. So it has a protective function. Liver also detoxify drugs. Drugs को भी detoxify करता है, right? Storage function. Storage function मतलब liver store करता है glucose, vitamin B12 and vitamin A, इन सबको store करता है liver. So storage function is also there. Excretory function, some of the dye are excreted through the liver like exogenous dye, bromosulfalline blue, BSP, right? So this is excreted through the liver, and rose Bengal dye also. Now next is the synthesis function. So liver synthesizes plasma protein, as I told you, alpha and beta globulin, albumin. Some blood coagulation factors are also synthesized in the liver. Blood coagulation factor like 2, 7, 9, 10 and 11, 12, right? So just remember like that, 2, 7, 9, 10 and 11, 12. These clotting factors are synthesized in the liver, right? Enzymes, some of the enzymes are also synthesized like alkaline phosphatase, SGOT, serum glutamate, glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase, and SGPT, that is serum glutamate pyruvic transaminase, and isocitrate dehydrogenase, right? Some enzymes, urea and cholesterol. So these are also synthesized in the liver. So इसीलिए जब भी आप liver function test कराते हो तो ये सब check करते हो, and you see the level of these things to know what the function is derived, right? समझा सबको? The next is the functions of bile. So functions of bile, ये हमने liver का देखा, gallbladder का देखा. This is the function of bile. So bile क्या करता है? It causes digestion. It causes digestion. So it helps in digestion of fat. Fat का digestion कैसे करता है? It reduces the surface area of fat by emulsification. So I told you in the last class emulsification क्या होता है, micelle formation क्या होता है. So it causes the emulsification and micelle formation. So it helps in the digestion of the fat. So because of this, जो lipoprotein lipase है, it has larger area to act on the fat. So it accelerates the function of the lipoprotein lipase also, we can say, right? Now next is the absorption. So helps in absorption of जो bile है, it helps in absorption of some fat soluble vitamins, fats, iron and calcium, all of water fat soluble vitamins, right? Now next is excretion. So some metals like copper, mercury, zinc, some are excreted through the liver. Some are excreted through the bile, right? Now laxative functions. So bile salt, it stimulates the peristalsis of the colon. It stimulates the peristalsis of the colon, so it is a laxative function also, right? Now next is the neutralization of the acid. So bile salts, because it has bicarbonate, bile has bicarbonate, HCO3, pH is 7.6, so it has bicarbonate. So the chyme that is coming from the stomach is acidic in nature, so it neutralizes the acid also. So next function is neutralization of acid also, right? Now next is Cola-Gag function. So I told you what is Cola-Gog. What is Cola-Gog? So जो bile होता है, it acts as its own stimulant. It acts as its own stimulant. जो कि bile is absorbed from the intestine, it carries from the liver and stimulates the further bile secretion. Now mucin of bile Cola-Gog was that कि जो sphincter of OD का relaxation करा रहा था और contraction of gallbladder करा रहा था. That was Cola-Gog, right? Now mucin acts as a इसमें जब mucus होता है bile में, it acts as a buffer and lubricant की तरह काम करता है. Bile has antiseptic function also because it acts as a natural detergent, क्योंकि amphipathic होता है, both hydrophilic and hydrophobic part होता है, so it acts as a detergent also. So it inhibits the growth of certain bacteria in the lumen of intestine and coagulation. It helps in coagulation also. Now next is the applied part. So applied part में gallstones and cholera lithiasis. So gallstone बहुत commonly आपने सुना हुआ होगा, किसी फैमिली में भी किसी न किसी के लिए सुना ही होगा कि gallstone and cholera lithiasis. तो क्या होता है? Cholera lithiasis, that means cholera मतलब gallbladder, lithiasis मतलब stone. तो जब gallbladder में stone होता है तो आप उसको क्या बोलते हो? Cholera lithiasis, right? So what is that? It is a solid crystal. It is what? It is a solid crystal formed by the cholesterol, calcium in the gallbladder or bile duct. ठीक है? Gallbladder या bile duct, उसमें अगर because of the deposition of the cholesterol and calcium, so this causes the formation of stone. So mainly कब होता है? It occurs in 4F. 4F मतलब fatty, जो most common condition है, it is the 4F मतलब fatty fertile female at the age of 40, right? So it is in fatty fertile female at the age of 40. So this is common in 4F. mainly दो तरह के stone होते हैं, that is the cholesterol stone and the calcium bilirubinate stone. ठीक है? दो तरह के होते हैं, cholesterol and the calcium bilirubinate stone. Right? Now what are the factors which causes the formation of gallstone? So first is the bile stasis. ठीक है? bile का अगर flow नहीं है ठीक से, bile stasis है, so this will cause what? This will cause formation of gallstone. Now next is the supersaturation of the bile with cholesterol, right? कोलेस्ट्रॉल और बाइल का सुपर सेचुरेशन हो जाता है. तो जो रेशियो होता है नॉर्मली, जो बाइल और कोलेस्ट्रॉल का रेशियो होता है, बाइल कोलेस्ट्रॉल और बाइल सॉल्ट का रेशियो होता है, इट इज 1:20 to 1:30. बट ये रेशियो जो होता है, अगर ये ऑल्टर हो जाता है, ये रेशियो ऑल्टर हो जाता है, अगर इट बिकम्स बिलो 1:13, देन इट लीड्स टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टोन, precipitation of cholesterol, and this causes the formation of cholesterol stones, right? So these are the stones of cholesterol. ठीक है? अब जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टोन्स होते हैं वो रेडियोल्यूसेंट होते हैं. सो व्हाट इज रेडियोल्यूसेंट एंड रेडियो ओपेक? नो. रेडियो ओपेक एंड रेडियो ल्यूसेंट में ये डिफरेंस होता है, जब भी आप एक्सरे करते हो तो बोन क्या होता है, बोन इज अ रेडियो ओपेक, बोन इज अ रेडियो ओपेक। तो जब आप एक्सरे करते हो तो जो एक्सरे होता है बोन को तो पेनिट्रेट नहीं करता है, बट उसके अगल बगल का सबको पेनिट्रेट कर जाता है, तो बोन इज अ रेडियो ओपेक। तो जो बोन वाला पोर्शन होता है वो आपको थोड़ा सा वाइट दिखता है, और जो बाकी पोर्शन होता है वो आपको ब्लैक दिखता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंट डेंसिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गन्स, वो भी अपने अलग अलग वो देते हैं, ठीक है, शेप देते हैं। तो दिस इज द रेडियो ओपेक। तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज रेडियो ल्यूसिड, क्योंकि उसमें अगर आप एक्सेस डालोगे तो इट विल पेनिट्रेट और इट विल लुक ब्लैक। तो जब भी अगर इफ अ पर्सन इज हैविंग गॉल स्टोन इन द लिवर, सॉरी नॉट इन द लिवर, गॉल स्टोन इन द गॉल ब्लैडर, तो आप एक्सरे करोगे तो यू विल नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट द गॉल स्टोन इन द गॉल ब्लैडर, बिकॉज इट इज अ कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टोन। अगर वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल का स्टोन है तो यू विल नॉट एबल टू फाइंड आउट। सो व्हाट यू विल डू यूएसजी, सोनोग्राफी। तो जब भी अगर कोई सस्पिशियस आता है पेशेंट, दैट यू सस्पेक्ट दैट द पेशेंट इज हैविंग गॉल स्टोन, देन यू विल प्रेफर फॉर व्हाट, यू विल प्रिस्क्राइब व्हाट, sonography, not the x-ray. But in kidney stone, yes, you prescribe mainly x-ray, but in gallstone you mainly prescribe the sonography, right? Now next is the remaining 15% stones होते हैं, so these are the 85% stones जो cholesterol होते हैं, but there are one more type of stones, that is 15% stones are pigment stones. Pigment stones, that means these are mainly of calcium bilirubinate formed when conjugated bilirubin in bile is deconjugated by the action of beta glucuronidase found in the certain bacteria. So ये mainly किसके होते हैं, calcium bilirubinate के होते हैं. These are the stones of calcium bilirubinate. So these are radio opaque or radiolucent? Radio opaque क्योंकि calcium है ना इसमें, because of calcium these are radio opaque. So you can see these in the X-ray, but these are only 15%, so that's why you will go for sonography first, then X-ray, right? Now free bilirubin होता है, जो free bilirubin होता है, it combines with calcium and it forms the calcium bilirubinate. It is highly insoluble in water and these in bile, and these are radio opaque. Now what are the symptoms? पीछे बातें नहीं. What are the symptoms? So whenever there is complete biliary obstruction, मतलब स्टोन है और उसने ना ब्लॉक कर दिया है उसका माउथ, ठीक है, गॉल ब्लैडर का माउथ ब्लॉक कर दिया है, तो बाइल का फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, देयर इज कंप्लीट बिलियरी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, सो देयर विल बी एब्सेंस ऑफ बाइल इन द इंटेस्टाइन, बाइल नहीं आएगा इंटेस्टाइन में, so there will be impaired fat digestion and absorption, and this will cause steatorrhea. What is the steatorrhea? Whenever there is fat in the fecal matter, अगर feces में अगर ना fat आता है, then you will say what? You will say the term is known as steatorrhea. समझा सबको इतना, ठीक है? So decrease absorption of fat soluble vitamins, vitamin का absorption भी कम हो जाएगा. Now retention of the bile in blood and tissue fluid leading to, क्योंकि bile ऊपर, there will be back pressure, so bile कहाँ जाएगा, ऊपर retained रहेगा, and this will cause what? This will cause jaundice, itching, loss of appetite, and increased blood levels of all bile constituents. Now injury to liver due to back pressure producing hepatomegaly and impairment of the liver function. Treatment is tablet form में chenodeoxyfolic acid, but it is not that much effective, but yes, you have to prescribe first. और अगर suppose फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है, normally it is not that much effective, then you will go for cholecystectomy. What is cholecystectomy? Chole मतलब cholecys मतलब the gallbladder, and ectomy मतलब removal. So it is a removal of gallbladder, right? Now next is the cholestasis. बातें नहीं. What is cholestasis? It is the blockage in the supply of bile into the digestive tract. Right? Digestive tract में अगर bile का supply अगर block हो गया, so it can lead to the jaundice, and it will cause mainly conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Why conjugated hyperbilirubinemia? क्योंकि नीचे तो बाइल फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, ऊपर बाइल है, वहां पे बाइल पे एंजाइम जो है वो अपना काम कर रहा है, एंड इट इज कॉजिंग द कॉन्जुगेशन ऑफ द बाइल. सो मेनली जो बाइल इंक्रीज होगा ब्लड में, इट विल बी कॉन्जुगेटेड बाइल ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगा, so this is conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, right? Now acute and chronic inflammation of the gallbladder, that is cholecystitis. So cholecystitis क्या होता है? Cholecyst मतलब gallbladder, itis मतलब inflammation. So whenever there is inflammation of the gallbladder, then you will call as what? Cholecystitis. It can be acute or chronic. Most common cause जो होता है, जो cause होता है, it can be due to the gallstone and it can be due to the secondary infection with the bacteria. खड़े हो जाओ. Now next is choledocholithiasis. What is choledoco? Choledoco मतलब bile duct, common bile duct, और lithiasis मतलब stone. So whenever there is stone in the common bile duct, अभी अगले को भी खड़ा कर दूंगी. Then this is called as what? Choledocholithiasis, right? So in this condition also patient develops jaundice. Jaundice we will continue in the next class because it is a big topic. It will not be covered in today's class. Jaundice is I think done in blood also. Blood में बताया आपको jaundice. So I think we have no need to go to